Go in with this blending Revlon brush. I don't have any primer on my face. All I did was wipe my face with this witch hazel. Thayer's witch hazel. I need some more. They have like different scents too from Target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5. I think that'll be enough. And I got a I hate when the brushes do that. They like shed. I'm just going to dab. I'm just gonna dab that that foundation into my skin. This one right here. This is by Nars. This is really good concealer. I have like some dark circles kind of like right here. They're not super bad, but I'm gonna go in with this Tape Shape concealer because it's a little bit more thicker than, well, full coverage I should say, than the Nars Radiant concealer. I'm just gonna go right in here. I'm gonna let that sit on my face. Collab Bright Spark Radiant Foundation. And this is in the shade Tawny, which is number 9. Going in with a shade, I don't know what this is, an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna do some dots like around here just to kind of give you guys an idea as to how I contour. I think I'm all over the place with this video. Go in, I'm gonna spray my face with some witch hazel because my concealer is starting to dry. And I'm just gonna go back in with that damp sponge. And I'm not gonna use my sponge to blend my concealer out. I'm gonna use a brush. Bring it down. I want to like kind of bring it up, so that's where I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna blend up here where my hairline is, and I'm gonna blend that into my hairline. Kind of bring it down too. So like back and forth type deal. Like I said, we're contouring, so you want to give the illusion that you have a smaller forehead because my forehead is kind of big. Just gonna go in and blend that concealer out. I'm just gonna go back in with that brush that I put my foundation in, and I'm just gonna kind of blend the edges of this out. and set my cream contour. I'm gonna use the True Complexions contour palette, taking this really beginner, this is a beginner friendly brush. If you don't know how to contour, or like how do you don't really know how to put the darker contour shade, because say if you don't have a very like chiseled cheekbone structure already, so it kind of makes it like a little bit difficult when you know, say maybe your face is a little bit rounder or like oval, you know, like. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, this contour shade in the palette, and I'm just going to set. We're going in with this middle shade and sculpt my forehead. Don't need much. With this Sun Power bronzer. With the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 30, medium deep, and I'm just going to set my under eye. And Wild Megaglo highlighter. Spray some witch hazel. With the Master Chrome by Maybelline. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Snatched, okay? Even with this thin ass ponytail. And this is the finished look. I, you know, just did my base for you guys, and then I just did the eyeshadow and lashes and stuff off camera, since this was a highlight and contour video. I didn't want to focus too much on the actual eyeshadow and whatnot itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.